Hey guys, welcome. This is a 2024 Scout 215 XSF. I'm excited to show you this boat. It's a beautiful day up here in Connecticut and we are on a beautiful boat. This boat is a crystal blue color, which you'll see in some of the pictures. Really sharp looking color. My favorite thing about Scout is the quality of the boats that they build. From all the sizes, from 17 feet all the way up to their new 67. The quality is pretty unmatched in the industry. They do a great job, and all the stuff that you can't see is probably my favorite part. So I'm going to show you the stuff that you can see. This particular boat is set up with the Elite package. So we've got the fiberglass hardtop, the integrated windshield, and for comfort and fishing, we've got a pull-out stern seat. On the back, we also have freshwater access, and this boat is powered by a Yamaha 200. We've got our livewell integrated into the stern area. We've got our cooler here with rocket launchers down below and up on the hardtop. Here on the dash, we've got our 9-inch Garmin display, our Fusion radio, and we've got the new Sea-Star Dometic trim tabs. Going around to the front, you'll see this beautiful integrated windshield, keeps the weather off of you. Really high interior freeboard with coaming bolsters all the way around. Great for fishing, leaning up against, or if you have little kids, it's just another layer of protection. You'll see the JL speakers that are added in on this option and build. Also part of the Elite package is the backrests up at the bow. We've added the dual purpose rod holder and cup holders up front. And with this boat, we actually have the trolling motor panel installed in the front. So if you are serious about fishing and wanted to add a trolling motor, that's ready to go up here at the bow with the anchor locker. Scout does a really good job with the pop-up cleats, stainless steel. We've got the grab rails up here. And as you turn around, you'll see we've got this really beautiful lounge seat on the front of the console. You won't see this on all center consoles, but really good layout with the armrest down and plenty of storage underneath here as well. Underneath the hardtop, we've got forward and aft LED lights. So if you're out late at night or early in the morning, plenty of light to see on this boat. As you come back, we've got storage underneath the console. No head installed. That is an option for this boat, but you're going to have your main battery switch under here, plenty of storage for all of your gear. And again, if you wanted to, you can add a head underneath here. This boat does come with the battery charger, plugs in down here by the courtesy light, so we can keep it charged up, whether it's on the dock or on the trailer at home. Always ready to roll. And there's our live well, rod storage, boat pole storage under both sides, bilge access, nice and easy back here. Very clean. You'll see it's completely finished all the way through. Like everything that you can't see on the Scout, everything's completely finished. They just do a really good job of making sure that they finish the boat completely. Come on down to Westbrook MarineMax, 627 Boston Post Road, and we'd love to show you this boat.